Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we are going to be working on our Honda Accord 2004-2005 Honda Accord with a half wide body. And what we're going to be working on today is the cooling system. Alright, so I had previous issue where the car kept running hot. And so I thought it was because I had a rusty radiator. But as you can see, I used some rust remover to get most of that rust out, which did pretty decent, I'll say. And so at the same time today, I am going to be using or removing the fan switch that it's down there. See that cable? That cable goes to the sensor that's in the bottom of the radiator. So after scratching my phone here, I'm gonna do it from up above. So remove the bracket. Remove the bracket. Remove this bracket. Remove the top hose. Unplug the fan with the other one. Condenser fan and radiator fan. Condenser fan, radiator fan. See how it's bigger? Yeah. AC, radiator. Anyway, and I'm just gonna try to pull it up without having to remove the bottom hose. See, easy peasy. Yes, I know. Drain plug. Anyway, so we're gonna work with this guy right here, and I unfortunately don't have a socket big enough for that. So, two tools of choice. I'm gonna try to get it out with one of these. See how it comes out. I do wonder at times if I'm the only one that receives those spam calls or spam texts, for that matter. So, come on, dude, focus on this. See that brown corrosion on it? That's how that whole radiator looked. The whole bottom is plastic, so I don't think you have to over tighten it. Just tight enough, I guess. One last check before put it all back together. Oh yeah, just put that guy in there. And so there it is. Alright, so fill it all the way to the top. And you give it a couple slight squeezes on the hose, and you're gonna be forcing some of that air out. Beautiful. There you go. All right, that's that.